Su Xin and Zhang Jike, one of the strongest men doubles. In general, the best combination for table tennis double is one left-hand player and one right-hand player. Su Xin and Zhang Jike make a perfect double partner. Su Xin may not be the strongest, but he is the most elegant. He is no doubt the best double partner in table tennis. He covers a wide area of table tennis from both sides, so you have more time to attack and you feel safe with Su Xin coverage behind you.